Revolutionary war-themed films have helped awaken gratitude and pride in generations of Vietnamese people for the nation's history of founding and defending the country. Back in the days, revolutionary cinema was truly a spiritual weapon, reflecting the indomitable spirit and the nation's aspiration for independence, inspiring millions to focus on the front line.
Vietnamese cinema is considered war cinema because it is closely tied to the country's historical ups and downs. Early films focused on praising revolutionary heroism, while later war and post-war topics became much more diverse.
In peacetime, historical themes remain a treasure trove for filmmakers to continue dedicating themselves to, while historical, war, and post-war films have been told from different perspectives, focusing more on human destinies.
Filmmakers have delved deeper into the inner minds and war aftermath. Warfare is not just about loud explosions.
This transformation began under pressure to innovate and refresh the cinema experience to attract audiences. Historical films that are both engaging and visually impressive started emerging.
Theaters screen hundreds of good films, and audiences have access to cinema achievements worldwide, so demand increases. It is not the audience who turns away, but we who fail to change. When producers understand who their audience is and what they want spiritually, filmmaking methods will change.
Following the flow of Vietnamese cinema history, historical themes remain a persistent and enduring current. Proper investment and innovative storytelling bring the audience closer to the culture and history of the country through the seventh art.